Hi 8th class students, in the last class we construct the angles 60 degrees and 30 degrees. Today's class we have to construct the angles 120 degrees, 90 degrees, 135 degrees and 45 degrees. After this completion we have to go for the construction of quadrilaterals. Okay children, right. So how like we construct the angle 120 degrees? So for this I have to take the compass instrumentals. Using the instruments only we can construct this ones children. Okay, first of all I have to draw a ray using this instrument. Draw a ray OA with some convenient radius. This is OA, ray OA with some convenient radius. After that, take the compass. You have compass already there, so adjust the pencil needle with the horizontal and adjust the screw. Children, keep the compass in the horizontal and adjust the pencil and tight the screw and catch the compass on the top of this one only. Don't carry the compass this like. This is the wrong position of constructing the angle or quadrilateral. So you have to catch this here only. Now with some convenient radius and O as center, draw an arc. Draw an arc as this position, some long distance. Why? Because for construction of 60 degrees up to this enough, but we need to construct what angle? 120 degrees. Some convenient radius, we draw an arc with the same radius. Here how much radius we take? With the same radius onwards, this point onwards, draw another arc intersecting the previous arc. This is what angle already we constructed in the last class. This is the angle of 60 degrees. Here onwards, again we have to draw one more arc. This is 60, this one is 60. Now this point and this point joined with a scale. This is that one. This is OB ray. So up to here 60 degrees, here to here also 60 degrees. Total it is 120 degrees children. Now measure the angle with protractor. Now measure the angle. This is what side? Left side. So you measure the angle from 0 to right side onwards. Keep the center point here and balance the horizontal position of the protractor and measure the angle. This is 120 degrees. 0, 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60, 70, 80, 90, 100, 110, 120. So this is the construction of angle 120 degrees. This is the construction of next one. Construction of 120 degrees completed. Now we are going to discuss construction of angle 90 degrees. So the second angle, how like we have to construct that angle? Same previous model only. This one, draw a ray. First of all, draw a ray. This is O, this is A, some convenient radius. Afterwards, with O as center, take the compass, with some convenient radius, draw an arc. Long one only enough. Now here onwards, first cut is how much angle? You know that. First angle, this is first cut is 60 degrees. Here to second, this is how much angle? 120 degrees. 60, 120. Now in this length, this is length. In this length more than half you took. More than half. Otherwise same radius also no problem. More than half I took. Here onwards draw an arc. with the same radius, here this point onwards, cut the above arc. Now this, note this point. Now the 2 points, this is angular bisector of 60 degrees. This is 60 degrees, this is 60 degrees. This is angular bisector of this 60 degrees. Now join these ones. This is the angle of how much degrees? 90 degrees. This is the angle of how much? 90. 60, 120, this is 90. Now, we need to find this construction of what angle? 90 degrees. One time measure with protractor the triangle 90 degrees or not. Check with protractor. This is horizontal, correct? See this one. This is how much degrees? 90 degrees, children. This is the construction of angle 90 degrees. How like we construct the angle 135 degrees? Same position. Third diagram. 135 degrees, how like we have to construct it? Let us take this one. Draw one more ray. OA. Now with the compass, draw a large arc. Here are some convenient radius. Draw an arc. But you have to draw a big arc. Why? Because we need to construct more than 180 degrees, more than 120 degrees. So this much we need to draw. First one is here to cut the same radius. First one is 60 degrees. Second one is how much, children? 120 degrees. Third one, here onwards, cut this one, 180 degrees. 60, 120, 180. Now, we need to construct the angular bisector of this angle. How like this is? Up to here 120. We need to find 130 not 150 degrees is correct. 150 degrees. 135 little bit hard. Afterwards we will join that one. Construction of angle 150 degrees. This is construction of angle 120. This is 150 degrees. So this is 60, 120, 180. Now draw the angular bisector of this angle. Here to one arc, here to cut the same arc. Now join this one with the scale. This one is the construction of how much degrees? Up to here 60, 120, this is 180. 120, 180 angular bisector, this is 30 degrees. So 60 plus 60, 120, 120 plus 30, 150 degrees. 135 also will possible to us. How like? This is 150, this is 120. For this angle, angular bisector. Here onwards, in this length more than half, we have to took lesion. 135, how like possible? For this angle, more than half you took under one arc here, here to one more arc. This is 150 degrees angle. This one, when we join this one, this is 135 degrees angle. A, this is B, this is C. Angle AOB is 150 degrees. Angle AOC is 135 degrees. This is the construction of that angle. Now 45 degrees angle is how like? Very simple of that one. This is 90 degrees. Already we constructed. In this length more than half you took under. First of all we need to construct 90 degrees angle. Afterwards, in this length, more than half you took under 90 degrees చేసిన తర్వాత దీంట్లో సగం గంట ఎక్కువ తీసుకొని ఒక ఆర్క్ డ్రా చేశాను. అదే రేడియస్ తోటి ఇక్కడ నుంచి దాన్ని కట్ చేశాను. జాయిన్ దిస్ వన్ విత్ స్కేల్. Join this one with scale. The obtained one is said to be 45 degrees angle. This is 45 degrees. This one is also 45 degrees. These are the construction of angles. 120 degrees first of all. Second one is this is not 120. This is 90. 90 degrees. This is angle 150 degrees. This entire one is 150. This entire one is 135. This angle is 45 degrees. This is the construction of angles 120 degrees, 90 degrees, 135 degrees, 150 degrees and 45 degrees. Tomorrow class we have to construct the quadrilaterals. Okay children, bye. Practice this one more. Right.